This is the very special English health report. The human digestive system is full of bacteria, mostly good bacteria. These organisms help break down food so the body can use the nutrients. Scientists are exploring the link between what kinds of bacteria live in our gut and what kinds of food we eat. Gary Wu from the University of Pennsylvania and other scientists did the studies. Mr. Wu says the studies look for a connection between the food that people ate and the kind of microbes living in their intestines. We collect stool sample to look at the types of bacteria in the gut of people who provide us information about what they ate. He says people with one kind of diet had very different bacteria than people who ate a different diet. What is very weak. So we find essentially that there are two major categories in which individuals could be classified by the bacteria in their gut. One, associated with sort of a Western type of diet, and another one is associated with a more agrarian or fruit vegetable type of diet. In the second study, 10 volunteers took part and in a so-called controlled feeding experience. They had to change their normal diet, yet their digestive bacteria remained much the same. This suggests that the mix of bacteria is based on long-term dietary pattern, not what people ate in recent history. Jerry Wood thinks testing people's mix of intestinal bacteria might be a better way to measure their disease risk than asking about their diet. He says intestinal bacteria might even play a part in the development of disease. If so, this could lead scientists to new ways to help prevent disease. It means that if you could switch the types of bacteria in your gut, perhaps you could influence the development of certain types of disease. Perhaps the types of disease associated with Western or industrialized nation. That's a little bit more speculative, but that's something that is certainly very much of interest in the field. The two studies are in the journal Science. The research may add to understanding of how diet affect health. Another recent studies involving diet warned, warned that obesity is increasing worldwide, but especially in the United States and Britain. The findings appeared in the Lancet Medical Journal. Worldwide express cite 1.5 billion adults overweight. Another half billion are obese. At current rates, about half of all American adults could be obese by 2030 in Britain. Obesity rates could reach 48% for men and 43% for women. Express says the risk in obesity is likely to lead to as increase in cases of diabetes, heart disease, cancer, and other conditions. Obesity is also one the rise among children, and death the VOA Special English Health Report. I'm Ashadina. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.